Hey, this is Tariq. Today I am talking about Microsoft Excel, which is most popular spreadsheet software in the world. Today I will show you how to calculate IRR and MIRR in Microsoft Excel. IRR means interest rate of return. So at first, here the given 5 years project A values and project B values. Then we can calculate IRR. First of all, we enter equal and then enter the formula for IRR and then start the bracket, and here need all values, then all values, and close the bracket and entered. Here we can got our IRR, interest rate of return for project A to 20%. Then in the same way we calculate project B equal IRR, start the bracket and all values, then close the bracket and entered. The project B IRR is 22%. This is also very easy formula to calculate IRR. Then we will learn how to calculate MIRR, that means marginal interest rate of return. For this, the given info year 0 to 5, project A, project B, IRR 20% and 22%, cost of capital for project A 12%, also project B 12%. Then we can easily calculate MIRR for project A equal MIRR, start the bracket, values, all values 0 to 5, then finance rate, that means IRR, and then reinvestment rate, that means cost of capital, and close the bracket and entered. The MIRR for project A is 16%. Then we calculate for project B in the same way, equal MIRR, then start the bracket and select all values 0 to 5, and then finance rate is IRR 22%, and then reinvestment rate is also 12%, same as project A. Then close the bracket and entered. Here the MIRR also 16%. So that's all for today. Today we learn how to calculate IRR and MIRR. So that's all for today. Thank you.